Hello people, today I will show you how to design a CD cover using Adobe Illustrator. So basically all you need to do is draw a circle. Now to draw a circle you just need to get a dimension of it. So dimension of the circle is 4.72 and 32 inch is the radius. So all you need to do is I'm going to move that one side. I'm going to draw a circle, press the square and hold the mouse click and drag it to this ellipse tool, and then press shift and alt and draw it. Okay, create outlines, and then you're going to change the radius to the what we saw earlier on. So because I copied it in the clipboard, well no, I've not copied it, so you go to transform and copy this, and then go back again, transform, and up here you need to, this is a broken chain now, so when I change something it's not going to change on here. So I'm going to chain it up, so whatever radius, whatever ratio I put in, it will automatically change here if I press tab. So can you see the whole? So this is the overall CD size. So I'm going to justify, put it in the center. So basically this is just a simple CD size label. I'm going to see it's edge to edge, right? Okay, now this is the outside part. So inside part of the CD is this bit. It's 7.4, no, that's this one is, let's go to transform and check. It's 0.7856 inch. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to do same thing. I'm going to go to this tool and draw it, and then I'm gonna change the size. So transform, change it to this size, and I'm going to create same outlines as this one. There we go. Then I'm going to put that in the center. So alignment, center this way and center this way. So this is right in the bang on in the center of the CD. Now I want to make this CD very colorful, maybe flowers or something. So let's go to the Internet Explorer. Well, just get a really nice image from Google. This will show you how to search Google images. Beautiful free flowers. I'm going to image. There we go. We got so many pictures. Let's say it's all free download, so we'll use this one. I'm gonna go and copy this image and then go back to this file. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it there and arrange. I'm going to send it to back. Then I'm going to click on this and then the flower together. I'm going to put flower a bit just above it, so it's nicely in the center. So I'm going to select both of them, and then I'm going to press Ctrl and number 7. There we go. So basically what this has done is rounded off the colors of the flower, and then I'm gonna color this white. Obviously this part will be cut off. Okay, now I want to write around the CD. So basically you can't, there's not much enough to write long messages. So if you want to name your CD something, then you just need a text around here. So I'm gonna draw another circle around about this size. I'm gonna put it in the center. Well, I'm gonna put this in the center too. And I'm gonna create outlines, and I'm gonna go to text tool and on the text tool you want to write it to the path. So there we go. This CD belongs to Quick Answers YouTube training session. Please share this tutorial with your friends. So just say, you could put anything, to be honest. You can have your home address or where to buy the CD from, and then you can enlarge the font size so it fits in. There we go. Then you can reduce the ratio of it. Now obviously text, it's just covering up, so you can have different text color. So if you want to color it white, but as you can see, white is kind of not readable from here. So what we're going to do, we're going to create out maybe some text effect, but let's rotate that so it goes from there. So I'm going to create outline to the text. I'm going to type create outlines, and then I'm going to add some effects to the text so it kind of lifts up a bit, so it's more easy and readable. So there are so many different styles. Can you see? It just added some background into it, so text has come up a bit. So this text is a bit more readable. You can have a different effect. You just copy that. It's created a bit white lines, so I'm gonna have more white lines, and then I'm gonna paste it because I copied it before. I'm going to paste it and put it in the center. Then I'm gonna color that black. There we go. Can you see? It's nicely highlighted. So let's make a title for this. How to make round CD cover. That's the title. So I'm going to put in center and align it to center and put it there. Obviously, as you can see, it's not readable on this side. You can put your title on this side. Yeah, there we go. So we can make this text a bit more bigger, so we need more space. So this is a way to make it a bit more bigger. Or you can have like bold title, different style fonts, whichever you like. Or have I pressed? There we go. You can add different colors. There are so many colors here. Dark color, light colors. There's millions of colors here. Yeah, but black is more readable. Now we'll keep this white because when the cover is printed, this is gonna go on your sticker. So you can buy some stickers from from local store and then put in your printer, and this will print exactly as you see. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.